So after running this Bobcat for a couple hours, just digging dirt, moving logs, taking down trees, building a path, you know, it's a very impressive piece of equipment, no doubt. I mean, it's like I said, it's got a lot of the bells and whistles that my Kubota ain't got. It's got that cab, it's got that thumb, the blade's bigger, bucket's bigger. Of course, with the cab, you have options of the radio, which has got air conditioning, heat, and all that. No cab over here, no thumb, smaller blade. Of course, the cab here, and it's hot in the summertime, cold in the winter, but we don't have really bad winters here in North Carolina. It's not so bad. It does get hot, but you know, that's a luxury. I don't really need that. I will say that it does have obviously the rollover cage and the protection from limbs and trees coming down. Like I said, the Bobcat's bigger, no doubt about it. The E55, my Kubota is a Super Series KX121-3. And I mean, you can tell physically just looking at them, you know, that the Bobcat's obviously bigger. The one thing I do like about the cab too is, like I said, the noise canceling. It cancels out the noise, and so you don't have to wear headphones or anything like that. And then in the summertime, when you got times when yellow jackets and other wasps and stuff are active, the cab is a good one, man. 'Cause my brother has a cab, and we was burning some brush down here one time. He got into some yellow jackets, and if he went for that cab, man, he'd have been eat up. All in all, though, man, I like my Kubota. You know, I like the price I paid for it. I like what it does. It's rugged. It's you know, it's basic, but it's all I need for what I do. I'm not a professional digger out here. I'm just trying to do a little homestead.
Carolina, hill country, 13 acres on 134.